this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to remake or rearrange one of my old arrangements. So let's start. So this is the path that we are going to work on. You can see a jadelet plant, penguin figurine, haworthia, 3 white stones, purple delight, and Darly Sunshine. So, let's start working on it. So, una muna natin gagawin is iti-trim muna natin yung jadelet plant. So, later on, I will put Osmocut on the jadelet para makarecover siya. Kasi yung branch na tumubo sa kanya is very healthy and plump yung leaves. Pero yung pinakapuno niya is, it looks like so dehydrated. So, let's remove one of the white stone at the back and then refill it with the new soil mixture. So, yung soil mixture ko is ganun pa rin na ginamit ko dito before is 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. And then, I'm going to add yung Luella na galing din sa mga rearrangement na ginawa natin. So, well, ang dami na niyang roots kasi medyo matagal na siyang naka-air dry. So, I put Luella para may green color tayo dun sa likod ng stone. And then, we're going to put black sand dressing dun sa part na may nakatanim na mga succulent. And in front of Luella, I'm putting back the haworthia. So right now, I'm going to start putting the black sand to cover up the soil para malinis at mas magandang tignan. And since maraming root yung Luella, tinabunan ko din siyang mabuti nung black sand dressing. So maglalagay ako ng Osmocut sa may jadelet para makarecover siya at maging healthy siyang tignan. So tinabunan ko din ng black sand dressing kasi pag nasa ibabaw lang siya, yung mga house bird, kinukuha nila yan. Siguro, parang akala nila sa unang tingin, it's a bird seed. So, kaya pinaglalaroan nila. So, kinover ko siya para hindi mapaglaruan ng mga house bird. And then, I remove the penguin first so I can put black sand at the back of it. Pero, hindi pa ako tapos maglagay ng succulent sa... Ayan na nga, kumuha ko ng cuttings of red ives, kinat ko. So, okay lang naman na ipat na natin kagad yung red ives kahit freshly cut siya. Kasi, yung ginagamit ko namang soil o yung paglalagyan natin ng red ives na cutting is super dry soil naman. So, and then right now, I'm putting the white sand beside dun sa black sand. So, ang ganda ng contrast ng black sand and white sand. So, ang magiging effect, kaya naglagay ako ng white sand is parang eting beach area. Added more black sand kasi I'm planning to put more succulent in the front side of the stone. So, ibalik na natin yung figurine na penguin. And then, yung gagamitin kong mga cuttings dito is yung nakuha natin from the Tinkerbell arrangement na Graptopetalum mendozae and Myrinae. Ilalagay lang natin dyan. So, medyo dehydrated din sila, pero after a week naman, may roots na yan, pwede na natin silang diligan para makarecover sila from dehydration. So, gagamitin ko din yung mga babies ng Echeveria Violet Queen. May mga roots na sila eh. So, okay lang din na itusok natin sila dyan. I guess mas madali sila magiging well-rooted dyan kasi mas malaki yung pot na pinaglagay natin sa kanila. And in front of the Echeveria Violet Queen, I'm going to put cuttings of Cryptopetalum para hindi naman masyadong empty space tignan kung saan tayo naglagay ng black sand dressing. So, I guess it's done. So, i-fill up ko lang ulit ng white sand yung may tabi ng black sand. So, para maayos siyang tignan at mas maganda. So, I started putting blue crystal as water ng ating arrangement. So, the arrangement is finally done. Let's take a closer look at it. Enjoy watching! That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my succulent arrangement for today, penguin theme. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye.